Hey friends, welcome back to Quizz Trap. Are you ready to find out 30 odd emojis with 3 difficulty level? Okay, subscribe the channel and let's get started. Can you find the odd chicken rider? Yes, here is it. Find the odd tiger. It's here. Okay, find the odd elephant. Amazing. Find the odd Mr. Cat. Now find the odd fish. I think you got it. Let's see if you can spot the odd gorilla. I think you got it. Find the difference between the dogs. Great job. Which horse has a little difference? Yes, this one. Find the odd Tyrannosaurus. I think you got it. Good job. Can you find the odd super cow? Here it is. Now find out the odd gorilla rider. Where is the odd cow? Here it is. Can you find the odd bulldog? It's here without the backpack. Okay, now find the odd fat dog. Good job. Here are some differences between the birds. Did you notice that? It's here without tail. Find the odd panda. Good job. Can you find the odd shark? It's here without one wings. Oh no, where did his ice cream go? Okay, now find the odd fox. Oh no, he has no eyes. This time it's going to be a little harder. Can you find the odd monkey? Here it is on the right side. Now find the odd bunny. Look down here. Did you notice that? It's here. Find the odd giraffe. It's here. Oh my God, it's so hard. But you can do it. Now find the odd horse. You got it. It's here without horn. 99% can do it. Thanks for watching. Write on the comment how many you got.